YouTube! Today we will see if you can save your friend that is hanging by shooting the rope and cut it! Here we are! Today we will see if we can cut a rope by shooting it with shotgun. First shot at 10 meter with my 12 gauge shotgun and number 5 shots. For this video I talked to all my friends if they wanted to help me to hang themselves and wait for me to save them, but nobody wanted. So for this video my friend would be a conquered. Let's start. Okay, my friends, with 2 shots, with my 12 gauge shotgun and number 5 shots, you can cut the rope and save your hanging friend. Now, let's go at 20 meter with 12 gauge again and 5 number shots. My friends, at 20 meter the shots spread a lot and so it is a little difficult. But let's continue. Here it is with the second shot. Let's try one more shot with number 5 shots. Okay, at 20 meter you can cut the rope with a shotgun with 3 shots. Now let's go to 30 meter. Now let's try at 30 meter with my Saiga 410 and back shot. Let's see. So at 30 meter with my Saiga 410 and back shots, after 2 shots is like that. Okay, at 30 meter with my Saiga 410 and back shots, it's a little difficult. I hit it, but the rope is still there. So now let's try with slug and open sights at 30 meter. Let's see. Okay, the rope is hanging from that little rope. I will shot 2 more slugs with my Saiga 410 at 30 meter. Let's see if we can hit it. Yes, my friends! With my Saiga 410 and 30 meter, with slungs and open sights, I can cut a rope. The conclusion for this video is very simple. If I was at the Wild West, I would be a great cowboy. You can send me your ideas to my Facebook page. And if you find this video interesting, like and subscribe. And thanks for watching!